regarding molecular formula this. Again, if it has two ionization isomers, these isomers give different ions in solution. You can write two different ionization isomers from this molecular formula. The first one is, this is the central atom, this is the bromido ligand, NH3, 5, this is SO4. Again, this is number 1. Next, I will write NH3, 5, SO4, Br. That means these are two ionization isomers which give different ions in solution. These ionization isomers arises due to the position of the groups in the inside the coordination sphere and the outside the coordination sphere. Here both these have the same molecular formula, but here these two are ligands within the sphere. This is the counter ion. In this case, the sulfates come in the coordination sphere. The bromido will come as the bromide in the outside the sphere. That means these compounds will give these two ions CO, Br, NH3, 5, 2 plus and SO4, 2 minus in solution. And these compounds give in solution CO, NH3, 5, SO4 plus and Br minus in solution. The ions in solutions are different. Here this and this, and in this case we will get this and this in solution. That means again this compound with barium chloride gives precipitate or barium sulfate. This, suppose we give with barium chloride, this compound gives precipitate of barium sulfate. Again, this compound gives precipitate with silver chloride, silver nitrate. With silver nitrate, it will give the precipitate of silver bromide, AgBr, PBD, and the first compound gives barium sulfate precipitate with barium chloride solution. That means you remember one thing, the ionization isomers arises due to the position of the groups or atoms inside and outside the coordination sphere. And they both these have the same molecular formula, but they give different ions in solution. This is. The color of this one is, the first isomer, this is red, violet. The color of second isomer is red. Since it gives the precipitate with barium chloride, it indicates that the sulfate ion is outside the coordination sphere. And the second ionization isomers give the precipitate to silver nitrate, but it does not give the precipitate with the barium chloride. Since it forms the precipitate with silver nitrate, that means silver nitrate, it indicates that the bromide is outside the coordination sphere.